Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the May Boxycharm base box. In fact, I actually have two base boxes here, so I'm going to be reviewing two Boxycharm base boxes. And yeah, let's see what's in these. I haven't opened them up yet. If you guys don't know about Boxycharm, it's a beauty subscription box. It's $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size items. There's also the Boxycharm Premium, that's $35 a month, and you get to customize one of the items in your box. And lastly, they have the Boxycharm Luxe Box, that's $49.99 a month, and then you get to customize 2 of the products in your box. But yeah, we're doing the base box today. But let me know if you guys have the Boxy Luxe and if it's worth it, because I think I might subscribe to that. Real quick guys, Boxycharm does send me these boxes, so they're gifted, although they're not sponsored, so I'm not getting paid to make this video for you guys. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, for my Boxycharm videos, as I'm unboxing each product, I use it so that I can show you guys a little bit of a demonstration of how it works and how I like it. I'm gonna show you guys what's in each box, and then we'll go into the tutorial, just in case you didn't really want to see the tutorial version and you just kind of want to see what I got in each box. So yeah, I feel like I've been talking for like 100 hours. Let's get started. So this is the first box here. First up is the Murad Environmental Shield. So this is the Skin City Overnight Detox Moisturizer. I love Murad's products. They always look so fancy. This next guy is the Beekman 1802 Dewy Eyed Illuminating and Depuffing Eye Serum. Ooh, I love this box. This is the Skin Inc. My Daily Dose of Uplift. This is a cocktail of collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid encapsulated serums from Japan. We have the Ciaté London Shadow Flip. Ooh. And last but not least, we have the Sophia and Mabelle Hydrating Hybrid. So this is a hydrating lipstick and lip balm in one. So it looks like a nudie brown. Okay, so in this next box, we have 3 items that are the same. So we have the serum in this one as well. We have the Murad Overnight Detox Moisturizer again, the Hydrating Hybrid. And these next 2 products I didn't have in the other box. So this is the tréStiQue Brow Pencil and Brow Gel in the shade Mocha. I actually really like this brand. There was a mascara that was in another Boxycharm box that I really liked. And then we have the KAB Cosmetics Day and Night palette. Ooh, if you guys know me, you already know these are my tones. I'm so excited to use this. All right, let's move on to the tutorial version of the video. So we're gonna be starting out with that serum. So again, this is what it looks like out of the box. This skin reviving serum with encapsulated collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid delivers an anti-aging power punch, giving you smoother, firmer, and younger looking skin. This guy is $65, which is a little pricey. I feel like once you hit 30, anything that says anti-aging, you just gravitate to. It's such like a kind of a marketing scheme, to be honest with you, but I buy into it. It has a light scent, but I can't really tell what it smells like. Yeah, I can't pinpoint that. But it's very light. Almost like a bottle of water with like 1 slice of like a strawberry in it. So if you're sensitive to scents, this will not affect you. That was really light and it just soaked right into my skin. So it's not greasy at all. Next up we have that Illuminating Eye Serum. So this was the one that was good for puffiness. Comes in like a little mini drawstring, which is kind of cool. Say goodbye to fatigue and awaken tired eyes with this highly concentrated, clinically proven eye serum. A powerful blend of actives and goat milk quickly absorb into skin for hydrating revitalization. My gosh, revitalization that illuminates eyes while helping to fight the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. This one is $42 and it just comes out like a little serum there. This has a very light scent as well, but it's almost like a soft linen or something, but very light. And it really did just absorb right in. So it's not just gonna sit on your face. And I like that this is $42. I'm not gonna lie, When I saw the little packaging of the drawstring, I figured that this was gonna be like 70 bucks. And this comes out, like I don't wanna do like another squirt and waste it, but a lot comes out with just like one pump. So I feel like this is gonna last you a little bit. The only product that I'm not gonna be using today is the Murad Overnight Detox Moisturizer, only because I'm not going to bed, I'm gonna be doing my makeup. But I did wanna show this to you guys, so here it is. And I think, is this one of those where I push this down? Hang on. Wait, what is this cap for? Is that to, what is that for? That was weird. So this is actually, you press this, I just got it all over the place, but you go like that, and then, should I just use it anyway? Yeah. So this has a light scent. I feel like I keep saying the same thing. It's like not a strong scent. This almost has a very light orangey scent. Is that what it is? But very, very, very light. This is a little bit of a greasy feel. So I don't know if obviously I wouldn't recommend this as a day moisturizer. It's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be for night. But I'm hoping that this sinks in a little bit. But that is pretty cool that they have the pump here. I was thinking that it was just gonna be a pot and you dip your hands in there, which is unsanitary. I don't know why a lot of products still do that. And I mean, you do wind up just putting your hands in there eventually because it winds up getting so annoying grabbing like an extra spoon or something to like scrape it out, and then you have to clean that thing every single time. It's just a process. So I feel like everything just winds up getting contaminated, and then my skin's getting bacteria in it, and I'm just like, whatever. But let me read a little bit about this guy. So it says, detoxify and revitalize skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution. What? Daily dose of pollution? Oh, and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen skin's barrier while you sleep. So I will say Murad's products are really good. I've used a lot of them in the past. They are a little bit on the pricey side. This is $74. I mean, it does feel like you didn't need as much as this pumped out. I wonder if I just don't go as aggressive pumping it. I probably could have used like a half pump there. So I feel like this would probably last like 3 months, I'm assuming. So I guess it just depends on how much of a skincare junkie you are. But Murad does have really great products, I will say that. All right guys, I'm gonna do my base makeup off camera and then we'll be back to try the makeup products. Okay guys, ignore my crazy lips right now. We're gonna get into the makeup. And it's super weird because I didn't see one of these cards for the other box. But I'll have all the products linked in the description in case you guys want to see prices for anything. But luckily makeup products are pretty self-explanatory, so I don't really need to read up on them. But like I showed you guys before, this is the tréStiQue brow pencil in Mocha. It's a bit of a stiff pencil, which I actually really like. It almost has that dried out feeling, which is great. I hate pencils that are too creamy because they just come off too pigmented and I can't get the lines correct. The almost like dried out kind of stiffer versions allow you to get more of a natural brow look. You can get more like of a natural hair stroke if that's the look you're looking for, but also they last a lot longer because you're not using as much product. I really like the shade. This is like a cool tone brown. Wow, this is the quickest that it's taken me to do my eyebrows in forever. And look at that. I really love this. Again, I can't tell you how much it is because I don't have the card, but I will have it linked down below. But this is definitely worth it. This product also seems to be keeping its shape pretty well. If you guys, I don't know if you can see this on camera, but it has almost like a triangle shape to it. So it's thinner up top and then it gets a little bit bigger on the bottom, so you can kind of control the shape of your eyebrow a little better. But yeah, it didn't ruin that shape at all. It still looks pretty crisp. And I really like this, especially if you like more of like that bushy brow look. I feel like you can achieve that look really quickly with this product. It took me like less than 5 minutes to do my eyebrows, which is a miracle, honestly. Next up, I'm gonna go in with the KAB Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. So again, these were the colors. I'm definitely going to be going into these terracotta shades. I'm not going to do anything too crazy because I know you guys didn't sign up for an eyeshadow tutorial. So I think I'm just going to do like a terracotta smoky eye. And then I'll do my eyeliner and lashes off camera. but I really like the way that this eyeshadow is blending. It's very pigmented too. Ugh, I haven't worn this color in a while, and this is definitely my shade. This color is just so me. I've been doing really natural eyes lately, so I forgot how much I really liked this. I just feel like, I don't know, it just really warms up my face. And I love the way that these shadows are blending. They just look so nice. And this just really blended effortlessly. This is like the easiest, like blown out smoky eye ever. I'm just gonna do the bottom line real quick. All right, now on my lid, I'm gonna go in with the shade Stella, which is kind of like a metallic terracotta. For the metallics, I am digging in a little bit in order to get the pigment through, but that is very common when it comes to metallic shades. Eyeshadows just in general, sometimes you need to scrape off the top layer in order to get to the good stuff, but this is such a nice shade. So I'm just focusing that on like the inner corner of my eyelid. I'm also gonna go in with that shade Cocoa, which is the brown. Just gonna smoke out my outer lash line. All right, we're finished with the eyeshadow. And real quick, just a thought on the eyebrows. Normally when I'm using any kind of like powder or any kind of brow pencil in general, my brows, like I have to set them right away or else they get like all like funky, but I actually haven't used anything on them and they almost look like they're just staying in place naturally, which is pretty cool. All right, next up we're going in with that liquid eyeshadow. This is the Ciaté London Shadow Flip Multi-Chromatic Shifting Liquid Shadow. On camera, it just pretty much looks bronze, but if you see it from, you can kind of see the end here. It almost gives kind of like a greenish bronze. Like if you shift it all the way over. That's interesting. Kind of goes with this eye. I kind of like the way that it looks just on the inner lid. This would probably have a bolder effect if you were to cut it out using an eyeshadow primer. But I do like the subtleness of just using it as a topper. Yeah, so I don't know how well this is actually turning out. I feel like you're not supposed to be using this over top of eyeshadows because it is getting like a little crumbly on me. But you guys saw how it applied on my hand here. Such a beautiful shade. I would definitely cut out your eyelid using a concealer and then placing this on top, but it is pretty cool. Last but not least, we're going into that lip. So this was the Sophia and Mabelle Hydrating Hybrid. This Hydrating Hybrid is a lipstick and lip balm in one. It's packed with vitamin E to keep those lips silky smooth, but with the full coverage of a satin finish lipstick. Bring this everywhere you go and apply when you need a little extra moisture with a subtle pop of color. So this is $15. And again, I'm gonna show you guys, this is like a nudie brown. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand so that you guys can see. Ooh, I actually really like that color. Also, sorry about my thumb. I didn't really think to tell you guys about that. I was using a peeler and I like nicked the side of my thumb. Anyway, let's try this guy. Ooh, it smells like cupcakes. I do like this. It's just like a subtle hint of color. I don't know if this is the right color for me. It almost has like an orangey hint to it. Maybe when I'm a little bit tanner or if you're a little bit paler, this might be a good shade for you. But they did include another shade in the other box, which this shade here is Topless that I used on my lips. And then this one here is Weekend Getaway. So this one's more of a plum. This is a nice shade as well. Oh my god, I just realized I still have powder all over my forehead. Oh my god. Get it together. I normally bake my forehead because I just have a really creasy forehead. Especially this line right here always gets me. So I normally bake that while I'm doing my makeup, but I haven't been doing that for videos because it is really distracting and just annoying to look at. All right, all better. And I'm just gonna head off camera, guys, real quick just to finish up my eyeliner, put on some lashes, and then we'll give our final thoughts. All right, guys, I'm back. This is my full face, eyelashes done and everything. I'm really liking the way that everything turned out. especially, I would say this eyebrow, I still haven't set my eyebrows, first of all. I like that seems like it's almost like an added bonus. Not that I have super unruly eyebrows, but I don't know what it is, they never look like this. I always have to set them. This looks like I set them and I didn't do anything to them. Love them. It was super easy to do my eyebrows, like I said, less than 5 minutes, which is life-changing. I feel like it's been taking me like 10 minutes to do my eyebrows, which is crazy. So I definitely recommend that guy. Also, like I said, guys, I'll have everything linked in the description down below in case you want to purchase any of these. The next product that I really loved was the eyeshadow palette. I love this eye look. I love terracotta shades. Those really get me every single time. And I like that you can amp it up a little bit. Like they say, this is what, the day and night palette? Yeah, it's definitely a day and night palette. It's the perfect mix of matte shades and metallics. I would say that those two products are definitely my favorite out of everything that I've tried. Although I do love skincare products, you guys know me, so I'm gonna continue using these and let you know what I think about them. But I mean, my makeup looks really good. And even though I thought my face would look really greasy with this moisturizer because this is meant to use at night, I was expecting my face to look like super dewy and not like set correctly, but it looks good. Let me know what your favorite product was in the comments down below. Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it. Let me know what other beauty box subscriptions you guys want me to review. I love doing beauty box reviews, they're my favorite. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. I feel like my one eyelid, oh, I forgot to put blush on. Oh, whatever.